one more than the sending time. We see that uh, uh, the receiver matching fast forward is its own clock to be one more than the sending time, which is in the message. So uh, in both for both message, we can see the receiving time and the receiving time on matching one is one more than the sending time in message C, and also similar to it in matching 0. Is it clear? Safe?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Okay, please talk about this. Thank you.
Yes, sir. راح راح أرجع أشرح أيضا عن الحل اللي ينبورت. حل لابورت يقول إنه بالتتبع المباشر من حدث من قبل علاقة معينة، بحيث إنه إذا غادرت السي عند النقطة 60 أو توقيتها، يجب أن تصل القيمة هي 61 أو بعد ذلك، وحيث أنه كل رسالة تحمل وقت الإرسال وفقا لساعة المرسل. أي عندما تصل رسالة وتعرض رسالة المستلم على قيمة قبل وقت الرسالة أو قبل وقت الإرسال، يقوم المستلم بإعادة توجيه ساعته بالسرعة تكون واحدة، ضمن معيار وقتي للإرسال يكون محدد، واللي ظاهر بالشكل B، حيث نشوف انه السي راح تصل الى الحد اللي هو قيمة 61، وبالمثل فان الدي راح يوصل الى القيمة 70. اوكي سار.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the techniques for scaling. One important goal of in distributed system is scaling, and some components. The distributed system includes some components for scaling. Uh, One technique for scaling is high communication latency. Um, it means avoid waiting for response, do something else. Um, in this regard, um, when okay, there are, the distributed systems include some matchings. These matching can uh, communicate with each other to solve a problem or for running different applications. Okay, um, but we know that when a message, when a request from one matching to another matching, for example, from matching 0 to matching 1, uh, sometimes the matching, for example, the matching 0 need to wait to receive its response, and after that the matching 0 can continue its running. But in different technique, when the matching 0 send its request to matching 1, uh, these matching are work corporately. Yes, we know that. But in this state, when the matching 0 send one request to the matching 1, it can continue its working and uh, doesn't wait to for response. Okay, it means this communication is asynchronous communication. uh, in the previous state, when the matching 0 wait for the response, okay, it's synchronous communication. But In this state, the communication is asynchronous, and different separate handler for incoming response can be used for in the matches. Uh, Again, when the request is sent from one matching to another, the system doesn't wait for its response and pays to other requests. In this regard, the system uses different handler for each kind of connection. Say, please talk about this. Thank you.
اوكي سار. آه، الأمر الآخر اللي راح يتم التحدث عنه من تقنيات إعادة التحجيم هو إخفاء زمن الوصول بالنسبة للتوصيل، حيث أنه يتم تجنب الزبدة مال هذا الحديث هو أنه يتم تجنب انتظار الردود من خلال القيام بأمور أخرى، منها استخدام الاتصال غير متزامن، أو يكون لدينا معالج منفصل للاستجابة الواردة، واللي يتم من خلاله إرسال طلب من نظام إلى آخر، بحيث لا ينتظر النظام استجابة ويدفع للطلبات الأخرى. أي إنه لا يكون يحدد بعملية محددة بحيث إنه ينتظر يتم لما يرسل البيانات، بحيث إنه هو ما ينتظر ردود الإكنولوجمنت خلينا نقول. بهذا الصدد يستخدم النظام معالجة مختلفة للقيام بالعمليات الاتصال بشكل فوري. اوكي سار.
Uh, okay. Hassan in Salem Kazemi that has a question. It talk about the data loss in the network. We know that is possible, and a different mechanism can be used in the network for this challenge, for this problem. Okay, and we know that different clock time are used in the network. Okay, when the request is sent the message, some timer can be used, and okay, if its response cannot be cannot the response doesn't receive uh, by the sender. The sender can send again its message to the matching. So there are different mechanisms are introduced for this challenge, and we have not time to talk about these solutions. But the simple uh, method can be using the timer, and the message can be sent again. Yes. Okay. Yes, Qasim, depend on the sending protocol, and it's the protocol, different protocol which are utilized in the network. The problem um, which is related to the network.